let's watch how to make a photo from YouTube video. At first open the video. Welcome to the Qatar Prince Tamim bin Hamid in the land of Bangladesh. Arriving in the land of Bangladesh, Dhaka. Receiving by our Honorable President Mr. Shahabuddin Ahmed with red carpet greetings and guard of honor. Our selection photo is Honorable Qatar Prince Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad with our Honorable President Shahabuddin Ahmed. We stop here. Now we go to the UE or live. Click right button here and then watch shots image. Click on shots image to watch shadow background. Now we can print the photo picture at evening time, then something shadow. Now print the photo. Now watch image. Click right button on the picture and watch copy image or save image as we take copy image for easy making. Click on copy image. Now we go to a page, MS Word page. Click right button here and then paste. Okay, complete the photo. Honorable Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad of Qatar Prince with the Honorable President Shahabuddin Ahmed of Bangladesh. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.